It's the season finale of The Laziest Kid on Earth.
Ugh, can you get me some soda?
No.
Chips?
No.
Please!
No.
Trail mix?
No.
Spaghetti?
No.
Why not? Does someone have to get up? Oh, I can't go. Yes, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Ah! Oh no. Oh, come on now. I'm going to do all this again. Can you give me some chips
No.
before I pass out?
Nope.
Why not?